What is artificial intelligence? Welcome to this presentation on artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. In this session, we'll explore what AI is, its types, applications, benefits, challenges, and its future potential. Definition of AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are designed to think, learn, and act like humans. They can perform tasks such as problem solving, reasoning, and decision making, things we normally associate with human intelligence. Types of AI. There are three main categories of AI. First, narrow AI, which is specialized in a single task, such as virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. Second, general AI, which would match human intelligence and be capable of performing any intellectual task, something we are still working toward. And third, super AI, which is a hypothetical future stage where machines surpass human intelligence. Applications of AI. AI is already impacting many industries. In healthcare, it helps in diagnosis and drug discovery. In automotive, it powers self-driving cars. In finance, AI detects fraud and assists in trading. In retail, recommendation systems suggest products we might like. And in robotics, AI drives automation. Benefits of AI. The key benefits of AI include automating repetitive tasks, improving efficiency and accuracy, providing deep insights from big data, enhancing decision-making, and even assisting in scientific breakthroughs. Challenges of AI. Despite its benefits, AI faces several challenges. These include ethical concerns, the potential loss of jobs due to automation, privacy issues around data usage, bias in algorithms, and the high costs associated with developing advanced AI systems. Future of AI. The future of AI looks promising. It will continue to transform industries and drive innovation. AI can help address global challenges such as climate change and healthcare. But this future also demands responsible development and governance to ensure AI benefits humanity as a whole.